Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's just a very short video. We have a cold spell due to hit today. So we have actually gone around, as you can see here, and wrapped up the tree fern. Not quite necessary, only going down to about -3. But with that said, guys, just for the little bit of time to wrap that up, I thought it's certainly worth it, with it being its sort of first year, sort of rooted and in the ground. Unfortunately, this blew over last night in the winds. You can just see some of the broken glass in there. So we've had to replace that with another pane here. Now, with the bags we've got here, guys, these are just from Amazon, £10 a piece. They are approximately 2 meter by 2 meter, so quite a reasonable sized bag. Does have a zip on it as well, so we can open that up when it gets a bit warmer. But as mentioned, for the next sort of week or so, it does appear we're going to be sort of below zero, -3, -4s, only coming up to about sort of 3 to 4 in the day. So just for that little added protection, just wanted to add that on there. You can also see at the back here, guys, the butia. We've also added one of the fleece bags on as well. Now, of course, guys, as mentioned, these plants should be able to tolerate much colder than we're getting at the moment. But with that said, just for that little added protection, only takes a couple minutes to throw a fleece bag over. Certainly think it's worth it, especially with the palms and plants that are going to be on a little more on the tender side here. So you can just see off the back, guys, again, Musabastu still covered. The front clump is the one that we are testing out to see how it does in comparison. Certainly have a look at that in the spring. Of course, Happy New Year to everyone as well. We've just had New Year's Day today, quite mild weather, about 10 degrees C at the moment. But again, we are going to be going down to that kind of -3, bit of a cold spell this week. Could be a bit of snow, rain, ice, things like that. So with that said, guys, we've moved the new tree fern. That's going to go inside. Put a bit more of the straw over the Dixonia antarctica baby tree ferns that are in the ground here. Again, just that little added protection. They should be okay with this sort of weather, but again, I've got the time, might as well make sure everything's protected on there. But with that said, guys, we will let you know how the weather hits us, give you a bit of an update during the week. Of course, if you have not liked, subscribed, or shared, certainly feel free to do so. Join our amazing community, and with that said, we'll see you on the next one.